Hi guys, picked this up in a charity shop, £2.95. It's a Maisto. Batteries are working. Unit 22 police. It works with this transmitter. But I can't steer it. I don't understand it. I tried it at home in the kitchen and I couldn't get it to work, so I thought I'd come out here into the car park. And I still can't get it to work. It almost turns if I pulse it rather than hold it over. I'll have to go and have a look online. I don't know if there's something supposed to go into these holes, some sort of stabilizer or something, but I can't figure it out. No idea. It's probably a bit too windy to hear all that. Picked this up in a charity shop. I bought it for novelty value because I was trying to figure out how it worked. It is a Maisto. You can see Maisto written in there. Unit 22 police. It's got batteries in it. It's got flashing LEDs. And it does work with this transmitter that I've got. So forwards, backwards works. Left and right, it rotates like this. But I can't make that. I'm doing this in a car park, if you haven't guessed. I can't make that turn the bike as it's going along. So I think something's missing. I think there's either supposed to be something in that hole there or in that hole there, some sort of stabilisation, I'm guessing. I'll have to go and have a look online, see if there's any videos on this one. Back home now. I've watched some videos on YouTube and I was right. There's a bit that attaches round here, sort of a semicircle on both sides. that's actually got a little wheel on the bottom of it as well. So when it rolls over, it's on a little caster wheel here. And you do all sorts of exciting tricks with it rolling over. To be quite honest, I wasn't the least bit impressed by the videos. But I'll make a little playlist of them and put a link in the video description so you can actually watch them. I would be pretty disappointed if I was given one of these as a child. Or as an adult, I suppose. Anyway, yeah, there'll be links in the video description so you can watch other people's YouTube videos reviewing these from new. And they do have a semicircular bit on the outside with a wheel on the bottom of it so you can do tricks. It's called the Cyklone 360. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.